How to change location on iPhone easily and flexibly could be necessary for further exploration. Well, just watch on, for we'll detail practical content on this topic below. Part 1. How to change location on iPhone from device settings. iPhone settings, iTunes and App Store. Tap Apple ID in the top bar. Select View Apple ID. Click Country Region, select New Country. Confirm changes with Terms and Conditions. Part 2. How to change iPhone location via iTunes Music. Open Music app or iTunes. Click Account, View My Account. Log into Apple ID. Click Change Country or Region. Choose New Country or Region. Review Terms and Conditions. Agree. Confirm by clicking Agree again. Part 3. How to change your location on iPhone online. Go to Apple ID login webpage. Sign in and verify identity. Click Edit under Account section. Choose New Country from Country Region menu. Follow on-screen instructions. Set payment method and enter info. Part 4. How to change my location on iPhone with Nordvene. Download Nordvene on iPhone. Install and launch the app. Tap on button at bottom. Adjust location on the map. Part 5. How to change current location on iPhone by editing a plist file. Install iBackup on PC or Mac. Connect iPhone via USB. Backup iPhone. Open COM, Apple, Maps, Plist. Add key internal place secret location tools key true. Save and restore backup. Launch Maps app. Simulate location. Part 6. How to change location on iPhone in the safest way. Do you want to mock location on an iPhone easily and flexibly? Simply consider taking a reputable product like Virtual Location Tool. This intelligent program lets you spoof any location on your iPhone safely without jailbreak. How to set different locations on iPhone via Virtual Location Tool. Install and run utility. Tap Get Started. Connect and unlock iPhone. Click Teleport in corner, choose or zoom map location. Click Move to set iPhone location. Check new location on Apple Maps.